Hi, good day guys. Welcome back to PJs. Today I want to give you a few tips on how to waterproof your ignition system, like your plug leads and components such as those that should not get wet. We know that the Golf Mk1 is a bugger of a car when it gets to moisture and rain coming into the engine bay. So I'm going to give you a few tips how to waterproof those components that could give you an easier start in the morning and that you won't get stuck on the freeway. First and foremost, we use this product, Q20. Very old product, very trusted and reliable product. This is what we do with it. Now I'm sure all of you have heard about Q20, but let me show you how to use it on the engine and all the electronic parts. Firstly, we go to the main source of your power, which is your battery. Make sure that your battery terminals are tight, make sure that they're corrosion free, and then you can also add this Q20. Just give it a squirt. And the next thing that you can do is you can go to your starter and your solenoid, and there you can also make sure that those connections there are well tightened and that they are corrosion free. You may have to take them off. Then after you've done all that, you can also then just spray a bit of silicone over there. That will keep moisture at bay and rain water that would splash up. And next you would go to your coil and you could spray some over the coil very liberally. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is to take off the coil wire, and I'm literally going to spray some into the connector and put it back again. That's what you do. And while you're at it, you can squirt some Q20 at the back of those connections there, and right underneath here, your module, all those places, just spray this Q20 on liberally. And what you can also do then, you can pull off all of these plug connections here, squirt some into the top of the distributor and also into the connector and back in there. And then you can also take off your distributor cap, because we're going to spray some of that Q20 into this distributor cap. There we go. That's what you do. You're going to spray that all. This Q20 is coming out quite fast, but anyway, it's fine. Q20 is not going to, too much Q20 is not going to harm it. So, and put it back on. Move the plug leads off the plug, and then you can also spray some over there. That will keep the moisture out that will build up during the course of the night if your car parks outside, and that will give you a very easy start in the morning. And you can always give a bit of a squirt here into this connection here right next to the distributor. That's your wall sender. And then you can always spray Q20 on all the leads. Take them out one by one and then spray Q20 on them. They will keep the moisture at bay and give you an easy start in the morning. Yes, like I said, Q20 is a very old product. It's been around for a good couple of years, and I think sometimes we've forgotten about the effectiveness of Q20, because it will definitely help you, especially when you get rainwater coming into your engine bay or you hit a big puddle. If you got Q20 on, it will protect you, it will maintain that spark and ignition that is required. You know, the water will not be able to affect anything. So there you go guys, just a few tips for you to waterproof your electronic components in your Golf Mk1, especially if you're experiencing hard start in the morning, living in a wet climate. I'm sure this will help you. There are other products on the market similar to Q20, but you can choose whatever works for you. Thanks for watching, and continue to share, like and subscribe.